Hi and welcome to Let's Cook. Today's dish is a celebration of three classic vegetables: potatoes, carrots and peas. Let's cook garlic butter vegetables. These ingredients might be humble, but when they come together, it's truly magical. Like peas and carrots, and when you add potatoes, it's like friends forever. Introducing our stars. Alright folks, it's time to channel your inner ninja chef. Let's slice these carrots and potatoes as thinly as we can. You know, it's the simple things in life which are the most extraordinary. A quote from one of my favorite books, The Alchemist. And today, we are embracing that philosophy with this recipe that is both simple and delicious. The butter goes in with the oil, preventing it from burning. Add the chopped garlic to the pan, saute until they start to brown. Wow, that rhymed. Let's start with the potatoes as they take the most time to cook. Half a teaspoon garlic powder. Garlic powder is an underappreciated but critical ingredient in so many of our favorite dishes. It's in every jar of sauce that we buy and every spice blend that is in our kitchen. We add the carrots when the potatoes are half done and cook covered on low flame for about 5 minutes. Substitute for garlic powder could be garlic paste, minced garlic, or even the whites of the spring onion. Let's add a sprinkle of parsley. This actually stimulates all taste receptors on your tongue, from sweet to salty. This dish is a celebration of the holiday spirit in every bite. Time to add our peas as the potatoes and carrots are nearly done. Gently give it all a good mix. Add a generous amount of ground black pepper. It adds an earthy kick and sharp aroma. And there we have it, our delightful dish is almost ready to be savored. I want to take a moment to thank you all for being here with me in this journey. Dot the top with the remaining half tablespoon of butter for extra flavor. As we immerse ourselves in the festive season, I wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas. May your days be filled with joy, laughter, and the simple joys of life. And please do like, comment, and subscribe.